Hi everyone, today we will draw a winter landscape. We need a sponge, few colors of acrylic paint, brushes, lead pencil and eraser. Let's start with making images of the cottages. We'll make few of them with different roofs, different heights and different size. Be creative with your windows. You can do arch windows or just rectangular windows or any other shape windows. Let's start to make a sky. Sky we'll make with a sponge. And leave a little bit of space above the houses, that will be trees. Next step is covering the windows. I use same color, blue, as for the sky. You can change the color if you wish. Next, let's outline the roof and the walls. On the roof, we'll add pattern or you can color it, that is up to you. Let's outline the window around and also add a few short white brush strokes to make a bricks. Lovely, and same way we can do all other cottages. We outline them, add some details, color or make a pattern on the roof, add color to the chimney, make few bricks over the walls and also outline the windows. You can be very creative with all details what you put to your cottages. Final details at branches on the trees. Lovely winter trees we have. Beautiful, and let's add stars on the sky. Using white color we can add frames to the windows and also add a few sprinkles, few splashes over the whole landscape, just to make a snow.